Let's welcome out Jerome Subey, dancing with Bryn Anderson. All right. Let's see what my cousin has going on for you. What? Okay, hang on. We can get this. It's like a break dancing. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah. And then he's like dropping down, doing like some type of knee drop. Yes, just like that, Jerome. Perfect. Now just do it while thinking about your song and also thinking about West Coast Swing Concept and anchor steps. Yes, perfect. All right. Throw back our sauce back. We're just gonna go a little ways, so we're just gonna toss it back. Just a little like light throw, just a toss back. Give it up for our third couple, Jerome and Bryn. DJ, spin it.
If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on. It's scary, I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything can stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side. I'm all good already, so moved on. It's scary, I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything can stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me.
Give it up for Jerome and Bryn. Yeah. Keep going. No, we'll hit it. It's fine. Just keep turning.